It's the difference between total chaos and actual clarity.
And the impact of a good decompiler? It's massive. As blockchain security engineer David Benchimol puts it, a really high-quality tool, like the one from Decompilation, is in a completely different league. For security researchers, this isn't just a nice-to-have. It's a non-negotiable part of their toolkit.
But here's where it gets really interesting. Decompilation isn't some simple, straightforward translation. Oh no, it's much more like solving a really complex puzzle where you have a bunch of missing pieces and the clues are super ambiguous.
And the absolute hardest piece of that puzzle, the thing that causes most of the headaches, is that one tiny instruction we talked about earlier: jump.